everyone, I'm Haley with TV Premier Services, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Aztec face mask. This is known to be the most powerful facial in the world. It is esthetician approved, and you only need 2 ingredients. You'll be using 100% natural clay and apple cider vinegar. I already have this measured out for you, so I'll go ahead and show you how to mix it up and apply. So I have both the ingredients mixed together in this bowl. Once you have a consistency like this, you can go ahead and apply it to your face or anywhere that you feel you need to clean out pores. You can apply it to your arms, your legs, anywhere really. It's not just for your face, and it is for men and women. So once you have this, you can go ahead and apply a thin layer. I apply a thin layer, but most people can apply a normal layer. I just have super sensitive skin. So I usually will just go like that. And I will apply this to my whole face. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. This is what it looks like once I apply it. I'll let it dry and then I will wash it off and I will be good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in next week for more videos.